Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer data from ZBD to Coinbase. So first thing you have to do is open your ZBD, and then from here you just have to click on this one icon at the bottom, and then just go ahead and tap on Bitcoin. So after that, you just have to scroll down and tap on transfer, and then just go ahead and tap on receive. So from here, just have to select the network Lightning. So click on this one, and then you will be asked to provide or to type in the amount of the crypto that you're gonna be sending. So let's just put here 0.16. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and tap on create invoice at the bottom. So from here, it will provide you a wallet address. So what you're gonna do is just copy it. So copy it and then go back to the PDZ. So from here, just go ahead and tap on paste and continue. And then just drag this button to the right. So once you're done with that, the transaction will be succeeded and you're gonna receive the money to your Coinbase. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!